Hello and welcome. It's TA for Traders. It's Wednesday the 17th of May and I'm Nigel Croft. In this video we'll be looking at the charts on the Brent oil price. On the daily we'll see that the downtrend in 50-day moving average is dominant. We've moved up to it on Monday and Tuesday this week and pulled back, and we are back below the 200-day as well. On the weekly we'll see a rolling picture and a downtrend in the RSI and the MACD, and in the 4-hour chart we'll also see that the RSI and the MACD are giving warning signs and maybe a sell signal. So here on the daily, and you can see that the blue line, the downtrend in 50-day moving average, on Monday and Tuesday this week, these two candles, we moved up to that level and then moved back down. We've also moved back below the 200-day moving average. That's moving up, so isn't negative, but we need to get back above it for it to be an influence. You can also see that on the 4th of May, the 20-day moving average crossed below the 50-day in a bearish cross formation, and that really signifies that the short-term trend is to the downside. On the RSI, yes, it's in an uptrend, but it's not back above 50, so I need to keep an eye on that. And the MACD also, the short term has gone above the long term, so keep an eye on that one. Overall, this picture, it's mid-range and on the range that we've seen, but just this 50-day seems to be dominant at the moment. On the weekly, the range looks slightly different, because obviously we've come down from highs above 100, and what you can see is perhaps a rolling picture, maybe even a small reverse head and shoulders, but let's wait and see. For that to be confirmed, we'd need to break the resistance at the 56 level and then push up towards 60. Then the picture would look a lot better. At the moment, you can see the downtrend in 20-week moving average is maybe dominant, although we are right on the uptrend in 50-week moving average. Here, the RSI is in a downtrend, and below 47, so showing negative momentum, and the MACD also just about to go back below zero, showing negative momentum. On the 4-hour chart, perhaps it's quite positive. We're getting this pattern of move up, range trade, move up, range trade, move up flag. It needs to break to the upside above 52 very quickly for that to be maintained. It does look like we are going to come back and test the supports of the previous flag, about 50.7. The RSI is in a downtrend, although it is above 50 at 54.4. And the MACD's just started to flash a sell signal, so be careful. And on the support resistance, as I said, the dominant force at the moment, this resistance at 52.22, then at 53.74, with supports coming in at the 20-day 50.96 and then 48.44. So that has been TA for Traders, having a look at the Brent oil price. Thanks for watching this video. If you're not a subscriber, please do subscribe. I've got a lot of videos coming out most days on YouTube. Please remember that I do these videos for educational purposes only, and in no way are they meant as an investment recommendation. Please read the disclaimer. Thank you.